What if I told you that you can make $100 per day using AI without any investment? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me because in this video, I'll show you 5 powerful ways to earn money with ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool that can help you generate income in multiple ways, from freelancing to content creation. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video has you covered. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Freelance writing with ChatGPT. Earn $100 plus per day. Clip. Fiverr, Upwork screenshots, freelance earnings proof. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is by offering content writing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can write blog posts, product descriptions, or even ebooks in minutes using AI. Here's how you do it. Check mark Step 1. Create a free account on Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2. Offer services like AI-powered article writing or SEO-friendly blog posts. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content, edit it slightly, and deliver it to clients. Pro tip. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming, but always add your own touch to make the content unique. YouTube automation. Earn $100 to $500 per video. Clip. AI-generated YouTube videos. Cash earnings from YouTube Studio. Did you know you can create YouTube videos without showing your face? With ChatGPT, you can write scripts for faceless YouTube channels in niches like finance, motivation, or tech. Here's what to do. Step 1. Pick a niche, e.g., make money online or tech reviews. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write an engaging video script. Step 3. Convert the script into audio using AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs. Step 4. Use stock videos or AI-generated visuals to create a video. Step 5. Upload and monetize your channel with ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Pro tip. Post short videos, YouTube Shorts, to grow faster and get monetized quickly. Selling AI-generated ebooks. Earn $1,000 plus per month. Clip. Amazon KDP dashboard. Ebook covers. ChatGPT writing process. You can publish ebooks using ChatGPT and sell them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or Gumroad. No writing skills required. Step 1. Choose a topic. Self-improvement, business, health, etc. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to generate content chapter by chapter. Step 3. Format the book using Google Docs or Canva. Step 4. Upload to Amazon KDP and start earning passive income. Pro tip. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva to create eye-catching book covers. Bonus tip. AI-powered social media management. Earn $500 plus per month. Clip. AI-generated social media posts, Canva templates, Instagram marketing dashboard. Businesses are always looking for social media managers. With ChatGPT, you can generate captions, content ideas, and ad copy in seconds. Step 1. Offer social media management services on Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create engaging posts and captions. Step 3. Design graphics using Canva or Photoshop. Step 4. Charge clients monthly and scale your business. Pro tip. Target small businesses and influencers who need regular content. Conclusion. Start today and make your first $100. Now you know 5 amazing ways to make money using ChatGPT. The best part? You don't need any experience or investment. Just take action. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI money-making tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.